is up. So check this out. It's been a long winter. Now the reason why I say it's been a long winter is because this two-wheel drive has been parked all winter long. Now, I went to go start it up because I was gonna take my brother-in-law Mop Street on a little drive. Check it out. Beep the hat though first. Ooh, look at that hat. That's a good looking hat. I need to take the sticker off, I know. It's okay. But, so, check this out. We're gonna go for a little ride. And I may or may not talk a little bit while we're driving. But we're going to do an update. Now, first of all, check this out. Did you guys know that you can buy Red Bull from other countries? This here's the purple edition. It basically came from Japan. It is a grape flavored Red Bull. It's really good, by the way, in case you were wondering. So, anyways, we're gonna take off here, but I'm gonna see if I can drive around and keep my Red Bull on the dash. Let's see. I think we're good. We're not gonna get too crazy. We're not gonna get too buck wild. But we are gonna update you on some projects that I've got for, I'd say, the summer. So, one thing I really would like to do is we need to do a little bit of work to the Blazer. I need me some shocks. I got the tires. I need some shocks. I think I figured out some of my problems with that is shock related. So we're gonna get some shocks for it, and then we're going to engine swap. So we're gonna put an LS. We're literally gonna put an LS in the Blazer. So that's gonna be one of our next steps. And currently the Suburban is in the shop. We're still waiting for diagnostics on the transmission to see what's up with that. But the next build that I'm gonna start is gonna be the crew cab. So y'all stay tuned. Go like some videos, go check out my Facebook. It's under Kurt Shelley. Go follow me there, go like some pictures, like the reels. Go check out some of that stuff there too, because that's where I'm gonna post a lot of the pictures and a lot of stuff. But everything helps, so all the support, all the likes, all the comments, especially on Facebook, it all helps. I do make a little bit of money off of Facebook. I do make money off YouTube, obviously, but we're trying to put the majority of that money. Oh geez, the Red Bull's still good. Okay, we're trying to put the majority of that money into the builds. So I'm wanting to build these. I think eventually, one of these days, when I get enough followers and we're making a fairly decent amount, I'd love to give away a square body. I'd love to fix one up and give it away. Long ways down the road. But in the short term, we're gonna work on this truck here. Check out these views. We got the farmer out there farming. We got the beautiful mountains. We got this sick country road here. Oh man, it's a beaut. I came home after work. I was gonna take Matt for a drive. The battery was dead. I charged the battery, and now I've got insurance on this thing, so we are 100% legal. Yeah, legal. We're gonna drive this thing around a lot now. This is literally gonna be like my errand running rig, because I'm gonna drive it more. We're gonna film some content. I don't know what we're gonna do here. I'd like to get one of those little dash covers and stuff, make it a little nicer, but I do need some seats. I do need to find a seat for it and a seat cover. But yeah, stick around, folks. We're gonna have a lot of stuff coming up with square bodies, and I'm always on the lookout for more. So who knows? Maybe we'll find some more. But yeah, stay tuned, because once we get the Suburban back, we gotta go back down to Moab and get some revenge down there. And yeah, crew cab. We're basically gonna build that thing, so stay tuned. I got some plans for it. We're gonna be lifting it. We're gonna be fixing the radiator on it. We're gonna be driving that thing around. Now, I was gonna try to fix it up and make it nice. I'm still gonna make it somewhat nice, but we're going a different direction. This crew cab build, we're basically gonna treat it like, I wonder if that's a dead cow. We're basically gonna treat it like the Suburban. We're gonna use it. We're gonna abuse it. We're gonna use it because I got it for cheap. It's a cheap rig. Now, instead of putting a whole bunch of money into making it and painting it and doing body work and making it nice, later we're just gonna buy another one. So that'll be maybe a year or two out, but we're definitely gonna find another crew cab. And we're definitely gonna find another Blazer, so stay tuned. If you got one, send me some info. But, oh, looks like they're gonna be doing the intersection here. But anyways, all right, well, I'm gonna go because I don't wanna bore you too much with all this jibber jabbering. And honestly, I'm gonna roll down the windows and I'm just gonna cruise. So I can't really bring you along because it's so loud and noisy, but I'm gonna roll down the window, get some of this nice spring fresh air rolling around in here. So peace out, have a good day. I'm gonna drink the rest of my Red Bull, and yeah, thanks everyone for the support. Head down, get you bucked up, buy something from Amazon, the links, it all helps me. And like I said, I'm gonna be building these crew cabs with the majority of the money that we are making off of social media, YouTube, all that stuff. So thank you for all your support. Have a good day.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back